Hello and welcome to episode 42. I can't believe it. Episode 42 of the Push Button Profits show, the show where we introduce you to the make money online and internet marketing product creators. With me today is regular James Reno, who's bringing out Internet 3.0 system. Internet 3.0 system tomorrow on Tuesday, 10th of August at 10 a.m. Eastern. And if at any point you want to pick it up, if you like the sound of this really interesting brand new Internet of Things product that James is bringing out tomorrow, click the link below. You'll get a great bonus as well. Click the link below, go through to the sales page and see if it's for you. James, welcome back to the Push Button Profit show.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here. As you know, I'm really excited to bring this to people.
And this is exciting because normally, James, you're usually talking about crypto. You're a master at enabling people to get free crypto or frankly, free money, fiat money, dollars, pounds and sterling into their pockets. You're a master of finding new ways for our viewers to get free crypto and free money into their pockets where possible. And with your new product, Internet 3.0 system, it's a bit of a spin on that because you are helping people get free crypto again and free money, but with a very different kind of operation this time. Would you mind explaining to people what are they getting into with Internet 3.0 system?
Yeah, so there's the whole notion of Internet of Things, where some people have heard of that term and it might sound like it's, I don't know, it's like in the ether, but what exactly does that mean? And a lot of times people think of like Internet of Things, like maybe you could control your refrigerator a certain way, or like an Alexa device, people could think of as Internet of Things. Well, now you have the ability to literally get with this, when you go through the system, a physical device that you can plug in that is, it's crazy to say this, but a literal and figurative, is that the right word? Literal, you know the word I'm trying to think of.
Yeah, kind of.
Literally, money-making machine that will create crypto and make you money just by plugging it in. And I know that sounds crazy. And that's one aspect of this. And number two is the fact that when you give other people free money, you get paid when they do the exact same thing. So you're basically setting up a network so that people around the world, and you can do this anywhere in the world, can have Internet of Thing devices connect a little easier is really what you're doing. You're becoming part of a network, and it's a very exclusive thing to do. And you're getting in on this at the very beginning stages. So it's really cool. It's really techy in one sense, but in the other sense, very simple, because you literally get a device and you plug it in.
Nice. And that's the thing, I think that because there's several parts to what you talked about there, there's several things I want to highlight. Number one, if people pick up Internet 3.0 system from you today, they'll be getting a physical product sent to them for free. That's all they need to do is to get a physical product will be sent to them for free. They just need to plug in. Now, someone listening to that might be thinking, oh, crumbs, that sounds really technical, really hard. It's not at all. They just plug it in.
Right.
And by simply plugging in this little system, which they're going to get, and you're going to show them exactly how they get it and how they get it for free, they will in turn be getting free cryptocurrency paid into their accounts each and every month without fail for simply turning it on. They don't need to, they don't need to publish anything. They don't need to create YouTube videos. They don't need to do anything like that. They just need to flip a switch, which is something we all do 40 times a day. Just flip it once and step away, and they're getting money forever. The second, which is number one, really powerful for those of you watching today who are looking for a way to get free money by just flipping a switch once and stepping away forever. This is it.
It sounds crazy, doesn't it?
It does. But this is what I like. And people talk about push button, and usually they're talking about digital things. This is the truest push button system where you're getting a physical money making machine, and all you need to do is pick up James's product through that link below and switch on what he'll be showing you how to get for free. There is no cost to you, no money out of pocket. The second thing though, which was interesting, was you talked about, which is part one, get this product for free, switch on, you'll make money, you'll make your money back. I mean, there's no money out of your pockets. There's nothing to make back. It's all profit.
Right.
Number two now was the network impact of this. Can you explain or demystify that a bit more? Even I'm not too sure what to expect next. I understand that I'll be turning on this machine because I'll be getting this Internet 3.0 product tomorrow when it launches. What's the network part of it? What should people expect from that? Sounds a bit scary. What do you mean by that?
Well, so we're obviously getting more and more connected as we go through the world. I mean, people here, obviously everyone knows of the internet. Okay, we're on the internet. You're watching me. Then there's the notion of Internet 2.0, where that's like social media. Well, this is Internet 3.0, and that's the term I've kind of coined, where we have all of these, whether we like it or not, everything's kind of being connected. Like you can't buy seriously a washing machine these days without it being connected to the internet. Like everything's being connected, and eventually you'll have it where your car is going to be smart enough to know it needs gasoline and it's going to pay for it itself. That's where we're going in the future. So right now the network's being built out so that all these kind of devices can talk to each other easier and easier, and you're part of that. Just like having Bitcoin is part of a network, and it's a coin, and sometimes it seems like intangible, like this is not a real coin, it's a Bitcoin, but everybody kind of knows about Bitcoin now. Well, this is like that, where this network is being built of these devices where, like I said, if your car is smart enough to know how to get gasoline for itself, along the way, it's going to need little connections to know where it's at, almost kind of like GPS. Think of it like that. And this device just has another little place on the network, so that when all these devices come together, they can more easily communicate. And so the benefit is this: when you have your device in your area, the more these other devices that get built out, your network becomes more powerful, and therefore you make more money. And we don't need to go in one of the technical parts of it is, but you need to go grab this now, because a year from now, 2 years from now, you'll not be able to do this and get it for free because someone else in your area will already have it. So that's a big part. Number two, when you when you start thinking about the affiliate side, there's one thing of getting the physical device. When you start talking about the affiliate side, forget about getting a physical device. But when you go to people and you try and sell them something, and you're like, I want you to buy this. I want you to buy this product that's going to make you money. Well, they say, well, what do I have to do? And how much do I have to pay? And all these different things, where you're like, no, I'm going to literally give you free money. Well, what do you mean? I'm going to literally give you free money. Okay, well, yeah, maybe I might be interested in that. Do you think that's something people may be interested in, Johnny, is getting free money, right?
Absolutely.
So we've done this ahead of time. My partner and I, Dave, we've let people know about it. We've built teams already like crazy, because people are like, yeah, send me something for free that makes me money. And so we're getting paid off of their devices. And then you, Johnny, and anyone else listening to this picks it up. Not only are you getting yourself a free money-making machine, but other people that get it, friends, family, and we go into how to get people you don't even know to get it. When they start running their machines, literally plug it in, you're getting a percentage of their machine. So you're getting a network effect of literally other people that you just simply let them know about it. You're getting paid on them doing it. So some people might resonate with the machine. Some people will resonate with the affiliate. I think you should resonate with both, because both are great. This is going to blow up. This is insane what's going on right now. And you, Johnny, and the person listening are at the very, very, very beginning of this. So the Internet of Things, I'm not saying tomorrow you're gonna have your car driving by itself and getting its own gasoline, but that's why the network is being built out now. And that's what this is all about, being part of that network to allow that to happen.
Brilliant. I have only 2 more questions and we'll wrap it up. Someone listening to this might be very excited by the prospect of earning with this, especially how simple it is. I mean, they just need to flip on a switch and they'll be part of this network, and then they can do a bit of network building and get others using it if they wish to, although there's no pressure to, but that's also where the money is. They may be thinking, well, I like the sound of being paid for just simply having something turned on, but they may be thinking, I'm not a crypto expert. I don't know much about crypto. So my question to you is, can this cryptocurrency that people are paid into be turned back into dollars? There are some people for whom they understand crypto is a thing and they understand it's powerful for the future, but they might want cash flow. Can people turn the crypto they're paid in with Internet 3.0 system back into dollars or pounds sterling?
Yeah, absolutely. So I could argue that Bitcoin and things like that are real money, but nonetheless, we go to the grocery store and we pay with pounds or we pay with dollars and so on. Absolutely, this can and is already, this is going on, exchange for real money. It's not a big deal to do that. In fact, and we haven't talked about upgrades, but I do have an upgrade that you could purchase. That we have an interview with a guy that's making several K with this every month, and his whole process of how he turns that into money. I've got a case study of a lady that she made 16K with this, and she didn't even know she made it because she just plugged it in and just whatever did her life.
That is amazing. Honestly, I'm actually really quite.
I have $16,000 here.
That's amazing. Honestly, this is what I like about this system, and we'll talk about the upgrades right now, is when you tell me stories of people are using Internet 3.0 system, turning it on, and because they forget about it, they don't even realize they're making all these thousands. It's that stupid simple. That is really, really cool. I actually really love that story alone is powerful and why everyone should be picking this up. To where I ask you now, James, when someone clicks that link below and picks up Internet 3.0 system and jumps in on this incredible new network building wave that you've come in on and introducing to everyone. What can they expect once they pick up the first product and want to go further with it? What are some of the other upgrades to help them make more with this new idea and product?
So I always like to say, look, when you buy this program or any program that I create, it's not like you have to buy an upgrade. So I don't want anyone to think like, if I buy this, I'm somehow missing pieces. No, but I do have that upgrade. Like I said, the first one that talks about these interviews that we have and breaking down what other people are doing aside from the system. We start to go deep into affiliates. In other words, how to get people you don't know to be interested in this. How do you get traffic? We have the ability that you can get on a phone call with us and have a Q&A session, among other things. But really, it is so simple, but at the same time, when people, it's kind of funny that you say, well, like, are you just happy making $500 a month or $2,000 a month? And some people would say, yeah, I've never done anything with a course before. But then it's like, well, do you want to turn this into 20K a month or like 100K a year? That is possible when you get other people doing this. So the whole kind of affiliate side can really, really be taken down a real deep path. And we go into that if that's something that people choose to do, which I think they should.
Cool. So that's the upgrade, is really helping them go
Yes.
further with those things. Cool. Awesome. Well, in which case then, James, thank you for your time today. If anyone wants to jump in on this, I'll be doing this tomorrow on Tuesday, August 10th at 10 a.m. Eastern. Click that link below and pick up Internet 3.0 system. James, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you so much, Johnny. And thank you for the person listening. I really think you should pick this up because it really doesn't get any simpler than this. It's cool, it's cutting edge, and people get results. And that's the bottom line. So you will get results with this.
Good work. Thanks, James. Click the link below and get it today. Thank you, Jay.